Good morning, wherever you are and however you are tuned to this podcast. This is from British Africa, and we are coming to you live from the Worldwide Community Duport Road, somewhere closer to the ES Grand Mental Health, where there's a huge fire incident by LDC taking place here, and there's a SoS call for the Labrador National Fire Service to speedily intervene, or else this entire community gonna be down by fire. So the residents of this community is calling on the Labrador National Fire Service to speedily intervene in the Worldwide Community area in Duport Road, where there's a huge fire incident ongoing, and the place is situated somewhere closer to the ES Grand Mental Health, not too far from the Duport Road Junction. Or SOS call for the Labrador National Fire Service, or else several things going to happen here this morning. So wherever you are and however you are following this podcast, we ask that you kind of help us sharing this video to reach the necessary people it's supposed to reach in order to put or halt or minimize this incident here. This is from British Africa. I'm Francis for you, bringing you this live podcast. People manage to have some of their things out of their home, and as you can see, they are now homeless, and the fire is intensifying, and nobody knows where else they're going to leave. So SOS call for the Labrador National Fire Service in the Duport Road community, to be precise, around the Worldwide Mission School, somewhere closer to the Duport Road Junction, and the fire keeps spreading. It keeps spreading, leading to a lot of people being homeless in this part of Duport Road. SOS call for the National Fire Service of Liberia, yeah, in the Worldwide Community area. As you can see in this podcast, people are now trying to haul all their things on the field in order for the fire not to reach their home. And this is very much sad indeed. And SOS call for the Labrador National Fire Service immediately now here in the Worldwide Community area in Duport Road. So this is from British Africa, and we are live. Sarah people are now homeless, and they have nowhere else to go, and the fire keep intensifying, damaging a lot of things here this morning in Duport Road Worldwide Community. Or SOS call for the Labrador National Fire Service. This is very much sad indeed. This is very much sad indeed. Sad day for the people of Worldwide Community in Duport Road, where a very sad day for the people of Worldwide Community in Duport Road. And the fire keeps extending. It keeps extending closer to the Worldwide Mission School here in Duport Road. The fire keeps extending, and we have not received any signal to know whether the Labrador National Fire Service are on their way to intervene. And this is expanding. It's very much serious. Very much serious. Or SOS call wherever you are, Labrador National Fire Service. You are needed right now at about this time to intervene in this situation happening right in the Duport Road area, around the ES Grand Mental Health Service Center. 5-minute drive from the Duport Road Junction. This is happening. This is happening. A very sad day for the people of Duport Road. This is happening. The fire keeps expanding. The fire keeps expanding. The fire keeps expanding. Residents of this area are trying to put halt to this fire. And the highest part of the community facility. And this is SoS Call for the Labrador National Fire Service in the Worldwide Community Duport Road. So If you have any link with the Liberia National Fire Service, we ask that you kind of help having them informed that there are serious fire incidents happening in the Duport Road community here. To be exact, the worldwide community in Duport Road. As the result of the fire incident, a lot of folks here in this area are now homeless and have nowhere else to go because their entire homes are caught on fire. A very sad moment here in Duport Road. Even several homes SoS Call for the Liberia National Fire Service in the worldwide community, Duport Road, right beside the ESG Mental Health Center and that of the worldwide mission school system on the Duport Road. The fire keeps expanding. Keeps intensifying. And other day we have not received any signal from the Liberia National Fire Service to know whether they're going to intervene into this fire incident. A very sad day for the people of the worldwide community in Duport Road. And this is from West Africa, and we are coming to you live from this end. Keep tuned as we remain committed to update you about happiness in Liberia. This is sad. This is sad. SoS Call for the Liberia National Fire Service here in the worldwide community, Duport Road, right around the ESG Mental Health Center, where there's a huge fire incident taking place here for the last 30 minutes. And we have not heard a word from the Liberia National Fire Service regards to whether they're going to intervene into this matter. This is very much sad indeed. You're both saying nothing. The citizens themselves have tried to ease this incident, but every effort have applied seems not to be working because the fire keeps expanding, and it's very much sad indeed. For the last 30 minutes, the community leaders have been calling on the Liberia National Fire Service, but no avail to intervene in this situation.
What?
Morning, yeah, the senior horses around the water field, but they on fire this morning. They up the day for the last 30 minutes. The fire keep expanding and the National Fire Service will not come to either. Yeah, the whole line on the field there, behind the back, behind the pool here. The whole line. 5. Yeah, 5 and the thing keep expanding. Like, you know that the illegal current thing, everybody won't get current. So when are we here? Yeah. And the boy not even able to take anything from the horse. Everything left in the horse. When they putting about it, nobody die in the process. Alright man. I don't know more. Me added to the other. Some of those affected by fire incident here are saying that few of their friends didn't sleep here last night and their things, their entire day remain home in the house and got burned. So right now they don't know how they will feel in the car. And up to date they have not heard from them to know. Yeah, so this is it, the Duport National Fire Service still having a raft, and the people have lost their entire homes here in the SoS Community Duport Road. And they are now homeless. Some of them managed to take their mattresses from their house. And as you see in this podcast, they are all landing on the football field here in the Duport Road area of Mission. A very sad day for the people of SoS Community Duport Road. Up to now, we have not really been informed about what led to this incident, but we hope to talk to few victims later, and that will be included in our subsequent broadcast as soon as we get a word from them. So this is Front Page Africa coming to you live as we remain committed to update you about happiness in Liberia. Is the viewership? Is the viewership? We just observed the presence of District number 4 representative aspirant Mr. Mowobi Camara. We hope to talk to him shortly, because he's one of the residents of this community and he has come to see what is happening here. So we hope to talk to District number 4 representative aspirant Mr. Mowobi Camara shortly. Keep tuned. This is Front Page Africa, and we are coming to you live from the SoS community here in Duport, where several homes have been caught by fire. and leave the other folks to be homeless. Yeah.